Yeah, it's sad, man. But boy, you want to change your life around, it starts up here first. Yeah? Look at yourself and think to yourself, well, maybe if I didn't carry that gun, yeah, maybe I wouldn't be doing a 2.5 years. Yeah, you carry a gun, yeah, I don't know what it is now. Maybe they upped it, yeah, they increased it. But back in the day, if you carry a gun, you're going to jail for 2.5 years, isn't it? Yeah? Met pure man in prison who are in jail for straps. Yeah, the strap not even loaded, blood. Yeah, ain't even got no shells in the thing. Yeah, man are in jail for 2.5 years for carrying a gun that was empty. So your intention wasn't even to do nothing, which is good. Yeah, which is good. But your intention wasn't to do nothing, and now you're in jail for 2.5 years. For if you got a gun that ain't loaded, you're basically carrying around a piece of metal. So you've gone to jail for a piece of metal. How stupid is that? Man are carrying around guns like it's a joke. I know man who have turned up to funerals. Why are you bringing your gun to a funeral for? This is a fucking joke. That's a disrespect to the deceased. Disrespect to the deceased. Man are going to funeral with fucking knife down their trousers and shit. Yeah. Now I put my hands up. Yeah. I had to. Yeah. I ain't gonna say it because it's a live stream, innit? Yeah. But I said it in a video already anyway. Yeah. But I had to arm myself with something. Yeah. Ain't no gun or nothing. Yeah. But I had to arm myself with something to go to a job interview, yeah? Literally, like I had it in my laptop bag, yeah? I was using my laptop bag as a briefcase, yeah? Had to arm myself because the area that I was going to, it was an op block. So imagine a Peckermute from Yellow Brick Estate having to go to Angel Town in Brixton, yeah, for a job interview. It was like that, yeah? And I had problems with one person on that estate, yeah? And if you have a problem with one person on that estate, you have a problem with the whole of the estate, yeah? But I needed to go for this job interview, yeah? And yeah, lucky I didn't see no one or nothing like that, yeah? But you know, there weren't no running, yeah. This estate is like a fucking fortress, yeah. They would have caught man in it, so running is not an option, yeah. Man, I'm gonna have to stand and defend myself wherever, yeah. But I would never carry nothing again or nothing like that, yeah. But that was back when I was 19. Mm-hmm. So yeah, man, I've had to, you know, not go out to parties and raves and stuff like that with man, because man are telling me, oh shit, fam, I forgot my Rambo. Fam, what do you mean you forgot your Rambo? What do you mean, fam, you're carrying out, you're taking a knife out with you to go to a rave? But you got you though, fam. Man are really going out to raves and bringing their knife with them, but they got a kid at home. So first of all, if they get caught with a knife, let alone stab someone, yeah, they ain't seeing their kid for a little while. Because you carry a knife, I don't know, I think you get 6 months or something like that. I'm not really too sure. But you carry a knife, you're getting 6 months or something like that. So you ain't gonna potentially see your youth for 6 months, let alone stab someone. You stab someone, yeah, grievous body harm, whatever, but you're getting 5 years, yeah? Plus the man that's with you, joint enterprise. Yeah, that's got bare man in prison. Yeah, I met one youth from Catford in prison. He was with a bunch of man. They went to a rave. I think they sprayed someone with a Mac 10 or something like that. He's in prison now just for being there. Just for being there. And I know this youth was not like that. This youth was not like that. This guy, yeah, is fucking doing man's hair in prison. You serious, fam? You really got a man sitting on a chair and you're plaiting man's hair, fam? You a gal or something like that? You a girl, yeah? And you's a man that's involved in a shooting. Yeah? Joint enterprise is not a fucking joke. It's not a joke. There's plenty of man in jail riding 20 years and shit, and they didn't even stab no one or nothing like that. But you know what? You was there, fam. Yeah, you was there. So that's why I couldn't go out with this person no more, because I'll be the driver of the car. I'm in a car with a man that has a knife. We're driving through certain areas, right? I don't know who's got beef with whatever, and I ain't him, yeah? He's jumped out of a car, boom, stabbed someone, whether he's ran back to my car or not, yeah? When they look at the CCTV evidence, yeah, in court, when the jury looks at the CCTV evidence, yeah, it's gonna look like we was riding out. Yeah? We was riding out. Whether he came back to the car or not, he might have panicked and went this way, that way, ran through the park, whatever, innit? Yeah. They saw him leave my car. I'm getting bagged. Told you already in the other live stream. There's a youth, good youth. He's not a bad person, nothing like that. He was just rolling with the wrong people. Yeah. Sweet boy. Yeah. He's in the car. He's the driver of a car. There's man in the car with a gun. Yeah. The police stop the car. All of them get bagged. Yeah. Because they can't put the place who's the person who's holding the gun or whatever. Everyone's getting bagged. Yeah. Certain man might get a lesser sentence or whatever, but everyone's getting bagged. So all you was doing was literally driving around a car, but because you had the wrong people in the back, you are facing similar charges to the people them in the back because you were the driver of a car because a gun was found in your car. Well, you know a man like that, yeah. If you know a man like that, or you know someone who's hanging around the wrong person, I beg you send this video to them, Beg you what. Round it off with 2 hours, If you know someone who's rolling with the wrong people, especially if they're not like that, I beg you send this video to them, But you can end up in jail for a long time just being in the wrong place with the wrong people. You can end up dead because you're with the wrong person, at the wrong time.